welcome back to my channel. This is Mansika Chauhan and I'm back with a new video. So this is a very requested video over my channel. So this video is about what work internal auditors do and what is the process of internal audit. So many of my subscribers have been commenting me to make a video on the same. So this video will give you a very brief idea on what work we do, and this will give you a brief insights on the whole process from starting to the end. So if you're planning to start your career in internal audit domain or in consulting profile, or if you're planning to join as an article in internal audit domain, so this will be the very best video for all of you. So let's begin with the video. So the process of internal audit, or the work of an auditor, starts right after signing the EL. EL is an engagement letter. So basically this is a document in which the whole of the information of our engagement is documented. That is the audit areas जो हम पूरे साल करेंगे, along with their defined scopes, that what work will be targeting for each audit, and along with their fees. Then the percentage of the expenses are also agreed over this document, and this document is signed by both the parties, that is the client vis-a-vis the auditors. So that's how a document is prepared जिसमें पूरा का पूरा एक summary होता है that what we'll be doing ahead and how the planning, like how we are planning to begin with our audit, and what will be the timelines and what will be our deliverables. So right after signing the EL, a kickoff meeting is scheduled. So in this, we give a brief idea to our client that how we will be targeting to achieve the audit timelines and what will be our scope. So EL में तो brief scope defined होता है. इसमें what we do is we break down the scope and थोड़ा और in depth हम उनको like idea दे देते हैं that what all we will be covering ahead for the respective area. So kickoff meeting में generally CFO and the HOD levels management is there. So उनको एक idea हो जाता है that how the audit will like proceed towards. तो जो kickoff meeting होती है उस पर brief idea हो जाता है from our side to the management that how we will be auditing their respective area, and from management side कि कौन हमारा respective SPOC होगा and who will be entertaining us on priority basis. So at the third step, basically we prepare for the process understanding meetings. So these are not the meetings that can be, process understanding is not a thing that can be covered in a one meeting only. So basically throughout the audit, first week में हमारी different meetings होती हैं process understanding की at different levels. There are times when we discuss the process with the HODs to take that final confirmation कि यही process है. But there are times कि जब हम सब process different SPOC से भी समझ रहे होते हैं अपने. So generally हमें 1 week लग जाता है to take inclusive process understanding of the whole process of the area we are auditing. Then at the fourth step, after each and every process understanding is done, we have to prepare minutes of meeting. Minutes of meeting is a brief summary of all the things that we have discussed throughout the meeting. We have to prepare a MOM and we have to share it with the client as a form of a negative confirmation, so that in the future there is no conflict between what the client has made us understood and what we have understood, in order to avoid all the conflicts and in order to avoid all the clashes in the future ahead. We prepare MOMs and we share it with the client right after all the meetings are over. Fifth step is, I would not say this is a fifth step, because while we are taking the process understandings, parallelly we prepare the data requirements. So basically the data requirements is always released in two chunks. That is, first one is the initial data requirement, then the second one are the additional data requirements. So basically generally what happens, most of our seniors have audited the area before, so initial data requirement हमारे पास ज़्यादा prepared होती है. But due to the process of the entity we are auditing can be different from the existing entity, although the process like the audit area can be same. For example, procurement to pay का अगर हम audit कर रहे हैं, so वो generally हर like entity में same होता है, but there can be slightly changes. So हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमारे पास इनिशियल डेटा रिक्वायरमेंट ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड होती है उसको थोड़ा सा भी लाइक मॉडिफाई अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर क्लाइंट, जो हमारी बेसिक प्रोसेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई होती है उसके हिसाब से भी मॉडिफाइड, एंड वी रिलीज इट टू द क्लाइंट राइट आफ्टर आवर प्रोसेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. पैरेलली हम उसे रिलीज करते रहते हैं. सो द सेकेंड इज द एडिशनल डेटा रिक्वायरमेंट. सो व्हाइल वी deep dive into our process understanding more deeply, and like we have understood the process in more depth with all the sub-process owners. So what we do is, on the basis of our understanding and on the basis of the new process that we understood, we रिलीज इनिशियल डेटा रिक्वायरमेंट, उसमें लाइक एडिशनली कुछ भी हो सकता है दैट वी फील इज important for us to do analysis in the future. So we release additional data requirements also. So sixth one is checklist. So जिस भी area का we are doing audit, we have to prepare the checklist. Checklist is basically like all the checks or all the data analysis that you have to do over your data. So like in order to keep the track that we are not diverting from our scope area, or we are covering everything that our scope area has, and we are not like we are not overseeing anything. And in order to ensure management that these all are the checks that we have done and we have not skipped anything, so that's why a checklist is very much important for us to prepare. And all the say at the same time, it also gives us a, like, it's a tracker for us, because it gives us a idea at each and every step that what all our checks are done and what all are pending. So if we also want to present to management, like after 2 or 3 weeks, that what is our process and what have we been doing from like past 2 to 3 weeks. So it is a whole soul of a tracker through which we can also track our progress. We can also track the checks that are pending, and we can also like give management a representation of what we are doing from the past 2 to 3 weeks. So मतलब बहुत ही एक helpful चीज़ है checklist बनाना. So now, after preparing checklist, after sharing data requirements with the user, we receive the data, and that's where the main work of audit, that is the core of audit, plays. जैसे ही data आता है, we have to first of all arrange them in a very specified manner in different folders, so that there is no confusion between the data received and the data pending. So what we have to do, data आते ही we have to perform all the data analysis. तो जो हमारी checklist हमने prepare की होती है, if we are 2-3 members, so what we do is सब area wise checklist prepare होती है first of all. तो सब area wise ही हम उसको like 2-3 members हैं, तो 2-3 members अपने सब areas different areas allocate हो जाते हैं. तो उसके हिसाब से like the checks which are written, उसके हिसाब से we begin to do our work. And the main core work of the audit lies in the data analysis and the checks we perform over the data, because this is the very thing that will form basis for everything, be it your audit queries, be it the sample you will be raising in the future. So while doing this work, you have to be very vigilant, you have to be very attentive, and like open up all of his senses while doing this work. You can't oversee anything. Next hai, that is the eighth one, that is your sample which you have to raise to the client. So basically jo data analysis I told you, it's the very core work of the audit, and it's the very important work that we do. So after doing the data analysis, you have to release samples to your client. तो sample basically हम क्यों release करते हैं? See, if you are doing procurement to pay is basically the process जिसमें हम सारी purchases देखते हैं एक organization की. तो उसमें बेसिकली क्या होता है, सैम्पल्स रिलीज करके वी आस्क फॉर देयर अप्रूवल्स, फॉर देयर सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स. देन उनका डीओए क्या है, डीओए इज बेसिकली डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी. तो अगर लाइक 50,000 की परचेज कर रहे हैं तो कौन अप्रूव करेगा, 50,000 से ऊपर की परचेज है 1.5 लाख तक की तो कौन अप्रूव करेगा. तो ये एक डॉक्यूमेंट होता है. सो ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स हम उनसे मांगते हैं रिस्पेक्टिवली, सो दैट वी कैन क्रॉस चेक. बिकॉज सी अब प्रोक्योरमेंट टू पे फॉर एग्जांपल एक कंपनी मल्टीपल चीज़ें परचेज कर रही है, तो उनके मल्टीपल परचेज ऑर्डर होंगे. एक साल में कितने कितने परचेज ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, तो आप सारे तो नहीं देख सकते ना. सो यू हैव टू रेज सैम्पल. तो उसके लिए लाइक जो एनालिसिस आपने पहले करे हैं डेटा पे, जो चेक्स हम करते हैं उसके बेसिस पे कुछ ऑडिट फाइंडिंग्स आती हैं, तो उसी में से हम अपना सैम्पल ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो एट लास्ट ही कहूँगी मैं, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत ब्रीफ आइडिया आपको हर चीज़ का दे दिया है. सो जब हम डेटा एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं, सैम्पल्स ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, और उसके बाद जब हम सैम्पल्स का डेटा आता है, तो व्हेन वी गो थ्रू ऑल द लाइक डॉक्यूमेंट्स, और उसमें भी हमें अगर कुछ लाइक फाइंडिंग्स मिलती हैं, सो व्हाट वी डू इज एट द लास्ट वी प्रिपेयर अ क्वेरी लिस्टिंग. सो क्वेरी लिस्टिंग इज नथिंग, जो भी हमें अपने डेटा एनालिसिस में या सैम्पल्स में जो भी गैप्स मिले हैं, बीट फाइनेंशियल गैप्स, बीट प्रोसेस गैप्स, तो वो हम सारे उसमें लिस्ट करते हैं. तो ये या तो एक्सेल फॉर्म में हो सकती है या पीपीटी फॉर्म में हो सकती है, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर्म में. सो उसमें हम लिस्ट करते हैं. देन व्हाट वी डू इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, वी प्लान मीटिंग्स विद ऑल आवर सब प्रोसेस ओनर्स. तो हम डायरेक्ट लाइक अगर हम किसी एरिया को ऑडिट कर रहे हैं तो उसके एचओडी के साथ वी कांट डिस्कस द फाइंडिंग्स डायरेक्टली. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, जो हमारे रिस्पेक्टिव ओनर्स थे जिनसे हमने प्रोसेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग ली थी, वी हैव टू गो टू देम, वी हैव टू शेड्यूल मीटिंग्स विद देम. देन वी हैव टू लाइक ईच एन ऑडिट क्वेरी, इफ you have found 100 audit queries, you have to discuss all of your audit queries with your sub process owners. तो उसमें भी like 1 week लग जाता है to discuss them with the process owners. फिर उसमें कुछ points drop होते हैं and the points remaining are taken to the your draft audit report. So that's how this works. Then along with, like, while you are showing them the your audit queries, you also have to take management action plan, like going forward how they will improve the respective process or the respective key gap that we found, then that how they'll be eliminating the same in the future. तो उसके लिए you have to take management action plan along with the timeline that within how many months they'll be implementing the action plan they are giving us. तो जब ये सब पूरा एक crisp like summary तैयार हो जाती है that these are the final audit findings and these are the management action plan and the timelines, तो ये पूरा जब we prepare in it a form of a draft audit report, so then we go to the head of the department and we schedule a final meeting with him or her. And then पूरा like उन्हें एक summary दी जाती है then that these are the audit findings, these are the management action plan. अगर if after that also he or she have some inputs regarding कि ठीक है ये point drop हो सकता है या ये management action plan आप थोड़ा change कर सकते हो and all. So after this, after the meeting is done, the final draft version, first final draft version is released, and at the last जो हमारी एक्चुअल क्लोजिंग मीटिंग होती है, सी आई नॉट से इट एक्चुअल बट द वाइंडिंग अप मीटिंग इफ आई वुड से, जो हमारी क्लोजिंग मीटिंग होती है वो होती है विद द CFO लेवल, एंड जिसमें HOD भी होते हैं, CFO भी होते हैं, एंड आर पार्टनर्स, डायरेक्टर्स एंड मैनेजर्स अलॉन्ग विद द टीम जो ऑडिट कर रही है, वो पूरी टीम उसमें प्रेजेंट होती है. एंड उसके बाद लाइक दैट्स द फाइनल वर्जन ऑफ द रिपोर्ट दैट इज मेड, दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड टू द मैनेजमेंट, और उसको ही हम मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी के साथ भी शेयर करते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ अ ऑडिट इज डन इन Big Four. So guys, that's all for this video. So I tried my best to give you a brief idea of how internal audit is conducted in Big Four, and I think this is the best I can do, because in this आपको along with giving the process understanding, I also tried to give you some examples of like the procurement process I gave in between. So this is the only process that is followed in the Big Four. Only this is the standard process that is followed in the Big Four for doing audit. And yeah, I tried my best to deliver it the same to you. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Bye.